In this video, we'll be using the PhET simulation vector edition to see how to add vectors together using the tip-to-tail method. To do this, we're going to choose Lab from the list of choices. And I have two vectors that I want to add together using this tip-to-tail method. My first step, just to make things a little bit more convenient, is to move the coordinate plane more towards the center. Now, using the tip-to-tail method, what we do is we orient the vectors so that the tail of one vector is at the tip of the other vector. So let's call this vector right here vector number 1. I'm going to orient it so its tail is at the origin at 0.00. And then I'm going to take this vector, vector number 2, and I'm going to put the tail of its vector right here, and I'm going to put that at the tip of the other vector right here. So if we add these together using the tip-to-tail method, our resultant will be from the tail of this vector, vector 1, to the tip of vector 2. So if I choose sum, I can see that is then my resultant. So that is the result of adding these two vectors together. So you can play around with the simulation and see what happens if you manipulate the size of one vector. If we see we make this vector smaller or larger and add it to this one, our resultant changes as well. So play around with the simulation and see how it works, and that's how you add vectors together using the tip-to-tail method.